That's a little tall. Okay, I'm not that big. Here I go. Here I go. Yeah, everybody gets to look at this face now. Haha. So let's turn this down a little bit. God, it's tall. I'm so tall. Tall and handsome. Hey everybody, welcome. Today I'm going to teach you a little bit about welding blueprints and how to read them, because I had some students, they needed help on them. And why am I doing it in the upstairs at the barn? I don't know, I thought it'd be fun. I had this all planned out too, I really did. I was planning on showing you on a computer, getting real high tech, but the internet sucks. Everybody's on it. I mean, quarantine just means that you can't use the internet now, so everybody's whatever. But anyways, I'm gonna show you how to read some blueprints. So here we go, blueprints. So if you look at these are simple welding blueprints from NTC College. This is a front view, this is a side view, this is your perspective. This is all the same thing. Just shows you that this is what your welding looks like. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like 3D. The big thing you need to understand is these numbers, these triangles, these arrows, these tails, these numbers. They tell you what your weld is supposed to be. You can look at a pretty picture, but it really doesn't tell you anything. This is all the guts and bananas. This is what you need. This 3/16, that's telling you when you measure your weld, the height and the depth of it should be about 3/16 of an inch. This triangle is telling you that's your weld. It should be flat. It's called a fillet weld. It's not rounded, it's not concave, it's flat, or at least as flat as we can get it. It's a fillet weld that's 3/16. If you look, there are 4 of these 3/16 which correspond with 4 triangles. That means you have 4 welds on here. If you look at this picture over here, this is showing 3 welds. So a lot of people just look at the picture and say, oh, I only have 3 welds. Wrong! You have 4 because it's showing you 4 triangles. It's showing you 4 sets of numbers. This is telling you how big your steel is. It's 6 inches by 3 inches down in there. How big's that? Nobody cares. It's not important. It sounds a little mad. This is all your information on your actual weld itself. SMAW, shielded metal arc welding. That means you're stick welding it. Your base metal is mild steel. It's not aluminum, it's not stainless, it's regular old mild steel. BM thickness, your base metal thickness. That's telling you that this metal right here, which is the same as this over here, which is the same as that over there, your weld metal is 3/16 of an inch. The thickness of your metal, your base metal thickness, 3/16 of an inch. Your joint / weld, you're doing a fillet weld. So even if you didn't know what this little triangle meant, it's telling you down here, it's a fillet weld. You're doing a T-joint and a lap joint. So if you look over here, oh, look at that. There's your T, there's your lap. So that's pointing at your laps, that's pointing at your T's. Position, you're going horizontal. You're welding along a wall. 2F. So if you're just welding flat on the floor, that's 1F. But you're welding on a wall. You're welding on a wall. On a wall. It's 2F flat. Because when you, oh, let's go. Okay, so when you're welding here, you're welding on a wall. Yeah, it's just a little baby wall. See, look, it's just a little wall, but it's still a wall, so you're 2F. Your electrode type, we have E6013s. So that's my electrode, that's your stick. Your diameter of your electrode, we have the fatties. We have an 1/8 inch electrode. Current, AC or DC negative as far as these plans go. Can we weld on DC positive? Yes. According to these plans, we should not, but sometimes we do just for fun. Your amperage is your heat. Is giving you a range. Start anywhere from 100 to 115. Can you weld colder? Yes. Can you weld hotter? Yes. Depends on your welding technique and your type of welder. But it's telling you the starting points. It doesn't mean you have to be here. It doesn't mean you have to weld on AC. It's just giving you a starting idea. So when you look at these welding plans, and they're essentially all the same, it gives you all the information you need as long as you can read it. So, you learned how to do stuff. Again, because you learned this before, except now it's different. Now it's online learning. So this, you can't touch this. It has to be online. So that's why we're doing this, so you can learn online and still do stuff. Other people not so much, but you're doing stuff. You're getting smartos. You're getting smarter. Good job. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me again, because I made this video just because some people needed me to teach them a little bit extra stuff. You can't see my eyes because they're all glary. Ooh. Anyways, I hope this helped. Once again, if you need any help, let me know. I get paid to help. So thanks everybody for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Yes, behind the scenes, everybody. Behind the scenes. Since I'm going to teach a little bit about welding, I put on this blue one.